Teka lang. Very quick lang to. Ikaw ba ay isang OFW o isang property investor na naghahanap ng perfect property investment? Then condotels are for you. Alam mo ba, kapag nag-invest ka sa condotels, may passive income ka whether or not rented ang unit mo. Hindi mo na rin kailangan maghanap ng tenant para sa unit mo at hindi mo na rin kailangan mag-collecta ng renta every month. Sa condotels, ang hotel operator na ang magme-maintain at magmamanage ng unit mo. They will operate it as a luxurious 4-star hotel. So wala ka nang iintindihin pa sa investment mo. Kahit na mag-abroad ka for 5 years o maging busy ka sa negosyo mo. At may 30 days free hotel stay ka pa every year para ma-rewardan nyo naman yung sarili nyo ng quality lifestyle. Imagine kung meron kang investment na kagaya nito. At alam nyo ba guys, presyong regular condo lang ito. So ano pa inaantay nyo? Tapusin nyo na yung video na ito. At tawagan nyo ako mamaya ha. Bye!
Cebu, the Queen City of the South. Considered the second largest city and fastest growing economy in the Philippines. Cebu is a top destination of our country's foreign visitors, a big favorite among those seeking history, culture, and modernity. From its all-year-round sunny weather and tropical beaches, to its extra warm and friendly people, Cebu gives you so much more to explore. Whether you're looking for new finds, new flavors, or new experiences, you can find it within this island of sunshine. Mactan Newtown, a 28-hectare master plan township destined to add more color and life to Cebu. Mactan Newtown is Megaworld's first ever major development outside Metro Manila. With its very own beachfront and a thriving and vibrant community, only 15 minutes away from the Mactan Cebu International Airport and right next to prestigious 5-star hotels and resorts. Now, we invite you to be part of this most exciting development at Mactan Island with Savoy Hotel Mactan Newtown. Savoy Hotel Mactan Newtown is a real estate investment that earns. An 18-story hotel, Savoy features top-notch features and amenities for both the business and leisure market. By investing in a suite, you get income from the increasing number of both local and foreign guests who will be staying in the hotel all throughout the year. Your investment will be safe in the capable hands of established management company Prestige Hotels and Resorts Incorporated. So now, just imagine the attractive returns on your investment as Mactan Newtown gets bigger and bigger. Cebu is now calling on you with its beautiful beaches, friendly smiles, exciting nights, and big opportunities. Invest now in a luxury hotel property in Mactan Island with Savoy Hotel Mactan Newtown.
To know more on how to invest in the Philippines, please like and subscribe. This is 𝗵𝗵𝗏𝗏, your Megaworld Realtor PH, bringing world-class Filipino properties to the world.